Hello and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, we are excited because we are going to make something quick and easy and sure to please everyone in your household. It comes from the far off reaches of Asia and it's made in a wok. That's right, you got it. We're going to be cooking up some stir fry, but not just any stir fry, Chaomian. English? Fried noodles. Oh yeah, that's right. We're going to be making that all-American favorite, fried noodles. Stir-fried noodles is going to be delicious. It's going to have vegetables, cabbage, red pepper, yellow pepper. It's going to have shrimp. Oh my God, you guys are going to love this. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to do it right. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Thanks for watching another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I truly hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. It really helps our channel out a lot, and it lets the YouTube algorithm know that our show is worth watching. We also like to thank everybody who's been sharing our videos on your social media. It's truly driving more traffic our way, and it's helping more and more people learn how to cook better. Thanks again. Also, if you'd like to be a bigger part of our show, consider becoming a Patreon member. It really helps our channel grow and helps us pay for all the groceries that we actually have to purchase to bring these episodes to you. Also consider, if you don't want to be a Patreon, buying us a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.